Epanifo yasa sinkonya agudie mu nsem sade yatena se ewofie ha se yetena se a na ye agudie mu nsem de ekohwi ekobremai sesei no de ejentre ha Richmond Lamptey akaka krabi na Black Stars squad ye de beko Afcon 2023-2024 no ababonten Afcon na ekoso no na e wose nke bono 2023. Yes, a 2023 Afcon. The last Afcon I boy na 2021 and Afcon intervals near 2 years. But and now weather 70 and now push akoshe January into a Afcon 2023 but Africa crew that then 70 aya na yensempi enuntina abasa na Afcon list no ntia menya ne say coach Chris Hughton edi list be about 50 players. Na 50 players no. Die obiebo ni din say Ghana Kotoko Richmond Lamptey. We ye den a ebefa no. Na ho asem kakra ewo ha me dey bro ewo fie ha sei. Na Kumasi Asante Kotoko prepare towards Great Olympics. Game no eba so Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Injury update, injury concerns saying ewo ahead of Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Great Olympic Games are ebaso ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Ghana Premier League, we've seen so much casualties in terms of coaches. Yes, Saki coaches Nibia, and the latest one Coach Salifu, and also Heart of Lions, and also any information Yenseka, and many more. And the Atanasia, and they bro Eufi and Patom. Super 24 TV. But before say me konse muno wadaroma obe subscribe ya mame na wapo notification bell no so na ya build the house ni together obe tiba follow your social media handle no so Kumasi blogman Instagram and social media Facebook me the Facebook titri and me di dwuma pa enti hono Super 24 TV uko search engine no ma obo Super 24 TV bebe piaba na yedika subom ewo eho. Now afi yen konsem no but answer na yebe konsem no ma message we yen ma as a light for our path for today 15th December 2023 15th December 15th 2023. Let's take this message as a light for our path. The be amikas agudie mu nsem ne de ye de gigi ani but the ohia pa e nyame asem nti these messages are inspired by the word of God eno ntina meje mra me de kakra FM amount. When you feel used, never think that people use you because you are useless. To the be abrabum obi wo ho a so ohia de nko a no wa twefon no wa frew. Sometimes you feel used, but useless things. Can you say we are saying useless things cannot be used? You feel used. I told you na say you feel used. Go for be used here, but idea was our channel so Emma would the chichero who re would the show whom crying and say any useless thing cannot be used. Because now I be fear about cospendi ko ye adwuma wa kakra na efie ho no betena ho kakra but na minim say your friend is saying umbrella chine e wo fie ho ye call ho no ye hu nyoma bebre ho but it didn't even cross my mind say there was umbrella in the house until they are in suit toy and I'm who say hey say if you akra umbrella ho no ko yi ni umbrella ne bai and anopo di pie. So circumstance and some things come to worth. But what I say, sa umbrella no insuo toy and de yakoyaba. So on the adena no. And oko parties, oko weddings enye umbrella ni use. Oko a canopy ene wo ho. Na sa canopy esi wo no. Ubo se eno na obi ate ase unhu umbrella wo ho but the moment insuo beje mu no ho no na obehu se amanfo etwetwe umbrella abuza ho se umbrella ni free hen fan So if you say nkofo bi ho a omo say oh me de oh hia me na ofre me enya hwe. Useless things cannot be used. When you feel used, relax and note that you are worthy of the otie bia no. Otumfo Nyankopon eme enti ase. So this is our message for our light, for our path. Now yonko Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Sebunum. Yes. Coach Sqaud also releasing a squad. No? We have less than 1 month to the Afcon. Ebekoso ewo Cote d'Ivoire. No? Afcon ebe sha 13th of January and the date is 15th of January. So you're less than 30 days, about 27 days to the Afcon. But still now, Afcon for penny for no, the association members, let's say, little under 1 month to the tournament, you should submit your provisional squad. You can provisional squad, and that is with the standard one will be. But still na Ghana, enyam fankoi. And now no pay any information about to you say. The technical directive, Ghana Football Association, GFA, a release squad, about 50 players are coaching no person or the omoko Afcon, or the akochire, and Sunday beko calf for no. I was saying the kind for GFA, the Sqaud for no. It's an open information I mean say can I say, Sa squad no, Edru GFA, Sqaud for no, Sqaud for no, shame anopay. Na show mu hwemu no kroma de bia me kase si apontu se be ye adwuma anya de wo pe enko na obeye eye obi adwuma na obeye enti nipa no ewo input ewo se ye se Sqaud na ye Ghana coach enti ye ja no na players bi ope bia wakofo no de omoko ebobo no enti South squad no is being scrutinized as we speak, and I'm reliably informed say the clarion call. When you say clarion caller, na it is asema ubia kebi, ubia de na no tum. Say oh, amutaka say the voice of the people is the voice of the God. And no, and also about Ghana football musisi about Richmond Lamptey Kotoko player. Ubia say Richmond Lamptey yem freno, Richmond Lamptey yem freno. Now even to the extent say Accra has a folk. For Bia ye, me call for House of Folk for supporters and management, past and present, for only be appointed to say, Richmond Lamptey born now, bono. He deserves a call up into the Black Stars, your squad, they call Afcon. And see, and Yamma says, I have 50 squad now, you release no. Me, fella, many say. Richmond Lamptey Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfielder no oka ho na se ye be puruni no abeye 23 no eno ena kokurum no wo eno de minim ho asem but wo hwe mframa na asese e bone dia sa Afcon squad ne ba na Kotoko play Richmond Lamptey de wa Ghana fo bi e ka se yemfa ne nka ho na ne din ni ma wa hwe be disaster. People are even going to turn against the Black Stars during Afcon. I tell you, because idea will be a candy. No why untimi me yo ho chenchene atwan board onimbo ne bo e na obo so o deserve at ne afre no otumfo Nyankopon eme enti ase na before list no ebekọ no GFF no ayo madwen say Coach Sqaud the Ghana Sports Ministry and Sakeno, but according to deep throat information, say Adudi President Nanado, coach the Godfather, it's the GFF and Ministry of Youth and Sports back and forth, no, Ninano. Say decision cannot be taken because Papa no or the Godfather. No blaster adwuma no ameye ne saa keke. Nti enya wo GF4 na obi determine say yen sacking the street away. And a Ministry of Youth and Sports no so insist says yes sacking and escape no omo dey yastic not to sack him. But say no o head dey duru na likely say ono an na de Ghana e ko Afcon no omo na omo hwe o manim say ye be sack coach no enya maso e Chrisutin and de Ghana e ko you hope say after the final 23 no say the meeting no provisional one, extended one, Richmond Lamptey can home. But about 23 now, we have our eyes wide open. Sir Richmond Lamptey and Sqaud in one. I'm telling you this on this channel. Ghana Afcon, Miami Kotoko for, and even other football fans will stand against Ghana Blasters in terms of support. Same way with the first sign. But yembo mpa say bibia be kototen na deserved players akọ utumfo nyankopon eme entia se meda ase se oni medi kaso bomba akọ bio pa cho medi usia echi abebre mewie madwuma e from the blog man